Why limit yourself to just grilling or smoking when you can do both? The best grill and smoker combos let you sear steaks and slow cook brisket all on one machine. Find out which models deliver true versatility without compromise. Links to each product are at the top of the description box. The Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker is a versatile outdoor cooking solution that brings together the best of classic grilling and authentic smoking. When you use this combo, you're greeted with a spacious main cooking chamber that allows you to grill burgers, steaks, and vegetables with direct heat, while the attached offset smoker box opens up the world of slow-cooked barbecue. The offset design lets you infuse your food with deep smoky flavors, whether you're preparing ribs, brisket, or even whole chickens. One of the standout features is the adjustable charcoal pan, which gives you precise control over the heat intensity in the main chamber. This means you can easily transition between high heat searing and gentle roasting, tailoring your cooking style to the dish at hand. The integrated temperature gauge on the lid keeps you informed, helping you maintain the ideal environment for both grilling and smoking. The addition of a side air vent allows you to fine-tune the airflow, which is essential for mastering the art of barbecue. You'll appreciate the ample workspace provided by the front and side shelves, perfect for prepping ingredients, holding sauces, or keeping your tools within reach. The built-in bottom shelf offers extra storage for charcoal or wood chips, making your setup more organized and efficient. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the removable ash pan that collects debris and simplifies maintenance after a long cookout. With the Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill and Offset Smoker, you can expect a gratifying hands-on cooking experience that rewards patience and creativity. It's a grill and smoker combo that encourages experimentation, whether you're hosting a backyard gathering or simply enjoying a weekend barbecue with family. Next up on my best smoker grill combo list is the Oklahoma Joe's Canyon Charcoal Combination Grill and Smoker, which brings together robust construction and multi-fuel capability, making it a standout for those who love variety in their outdoor cooking. This heavy-duty grill features separate chambers for charcoal grilling and offset smoking, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes simultaneously. The spacious cooking surface gives you plenty of room to grill steaks, burgers, and vegetables, while the offset firebox lets you smoke brisket, ribs, or even fish to tender, flavorful perfection. One of the key benefits is the flexibility the Canyon offers. You can use charcoal for direct grilling or switch to the offset smoker for a low and slow barbecue, all in one unit. The adjustable dampers provide precise airflow control, letting you manage both heat and smoke levels with ease. The built-in thermometer in each chamber ensures you always know the exact temperature, helping you achieve consistent results every time. You'll find the sturdy side shelves indispensable for prepping and serving, while the large bottom shelf gives you ample space to store charcoal, wood, or grilling accessories. The porcelain-coated grates are designed for durability and easy cleaning, and the grill's rugged steel construction means it's built to withstand years of heavy use. The firebox also features a convenient clean-out door, making ash removal quick and hassle-free. When you cook with the Oklahoma Joe's Canyon, you're embracing a top-rated grill and smoker combo that's designed for enthusiasts who want to explore every aspect of outdoor cooking. It's an ideal choice for those who want the versatility to sear, roast, and smoke, all with the confidence that comes from using a well-engineered, reliable grill. Checking in at number 3 on my best grill and smoker combo roundup, we have the Lifetime Pellet and Gas Grill and Smoker Combo, which is a cutting-edge solution for those who refuse to compromise between the flavor of wood-fired smoking and the convenience of gas grilling. This stack design grill combines a propane-powered grill with a 20-pound capacity pellet smoker, giving you the flexibility to grill, smoke, or even do both at the same time. The result is a unit that can handle everything from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend barbecue feasts. You'll be impressed by the fusion fuel system, which allows for simultaneous direct and indirect cooking. This means you can grill with gas for fast, high-heat searing, or switch to wood pellets for slow, flavorful smoking. The temperature range is impressive, spanning from 180 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and the large, bright LCD display keeps you informed at a glance. The grill's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity let you control and monitor your cook from anywhere using the dedicated app, adding a layer of convenience and precision that's hard to beat. The Lifetime Combo is designed for serious cooks with 742 square inches of grilling and smoking space, 3 meat temperature probes, and a spacious pellet hopper. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the enamel-coated grilling racks make cleanup easy. Thoughtful features like the storage box, under grill storage, and easy grease and ash cleanout system keep your cooking area tidy and efficient. When you use the Lifetime Pellet and Gas Grill and Smoker Combo, you're stepping into a world of culinary possibilities. Whether you're in the mood for smoky brisket or crave the quick satisfaction of grilled burgers, this combo unit delivers consistent, flavorful results, all with the convenience of modern technology and robust engineering. Next up on my best grill smoker combo list is the Traeger Pro Series 22 Pellet Grill, which is a favorite among barbecue enthusiasts for its ability to deliver authentic, wood-fired flavor with the push of a button. As a pellet grill and smoker combo, it uses 100% pure hardwood pellets to infuse your food with rich smoky notes, whether you're grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, or barbecuing. The Digital Pro Controller keeps temperatures steady, ensuring your food cooks evenly and predictably every time. You'll appreciate the ample cooking space, which allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining friends. The porcelain-coated grill grates are designed for easy cleaning and excellent heat retention, so you can achieve beautiful sear marks and juicy results. The hopper holds enough pellets for hours of uninterrupted cooking, and the side-mounted grease bucket simplifies cleanup after a long smoke session. As one of the best barbecue grills and smokers available, the Traeger Pro Series 22 is designed for ease of use with an automatic auger system that feeds pellets into the fire pot as needed, maintaining your set temperature without constant attention. This lets you focus on your guests or try new recipes without worrying about managing a fire. The sturdy construction and iconic barrel design make this grill a centerpiece in any backyard, combining style with substance. When you cook with the Traeger Pro Series 22, you're joining a community of passionate grillers who value both tradition and innovation. You can expect consistent, mouth-watering results, whether you're slow smoking ribs or quickly grilling burgers, all with the unmistakable taste of real wood smoke. So, what is the best smoker grill combo on the market? Overall, I definitely say that the Weber Searwood 600 Pellet Grill is the best grill and smoker combo for the money because it's a modern marvel for those who want the flexibility to smoke, sear, and roast, all on the same grill. This pellet grill is designed for superior heat retention and rapid temperature response, reaching your desired setting in 15 minutes or less, thanks to its advanced Rapid React PID controller. The full temperature range from 180 degrees to 600 degrees Fahrenheit lets you tackle everything from low and slow barbecue to high heat searing, so you can experiment with a wide range of recipes. As the best barbecue grill and smoker available, one of the unique benefits of the Searwood 600 is its direct flame cooking system, which eliminates the need for a large sheet diffuser and allows you to achieve deep sear marks, golden browning, and crispy bark on your meats. The full grate sear zone heats evenly, maximizing every inch of the grill and letting you cook more food at once. The smoke boost setting maintains the grill at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, optimizing smoke absorption for intensely flavorful results. You'll enjoy the convenience of a grill that recovers temperature quickly after the lid is open and maintains consistent performance even in cold weather, making it suitable for year-round use. The Searwood 600 is also designed for fast cool downs after cooking, so you can wrap up your barbecue session efficiently. With the Weber Searwood 600, you can expect a seamless blend of technology and tradition. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting your barbecue journey, this grill and smoker combo empowers you to create restaurant-quality meals at home with the versatility and control to match your culinary ambitions. I hope this breakdown of the best grill and smoker combos was helpful. You'll find links to every grill and smoker combo I talked about in the description box, so you can grab the one that's right for you.